Hi guys, today I want to show you why dishwasher from AEG is not really well designed. I got a problem with this design and I'll show you why the AEG is not well designed. So let's see. So my problem is, as you can see, the screw here is not fixed anymore. And this is the second time. Before this, the problem was here and I fixed it, but now it happened again on the other side. So why I call it it's not well designed from AEG product. If I want to fix that, so I need to take off this cabinet. The thing is, I need to open this screw, but it only can happen when it is like in this position. So that is the first problem, which means I need to take out the dishwasher from the kitchen cabinet. That is such a mess, which means only to change this cabinet I need to take out the dishwasher, because it couldn't be happen. I cannot change it just like that. And the second problem is, like I said before, why it's happened for the second time, because this screw design. I will show you later when I screw everything out. First thing first, we need to take off the plug for safety. The first tool that we need is top 15. So we need to take this thing out first. It's easy, just put it somewhere else, and yeah, just take out the screw from these 4 sides. So this also will create a new problem, because the cabinet or my kitchen is from wood. So if I screw it and unscrew it for many times, the hole from the screw part will be loosened, and it will be more difficult for me to screw it back.
Okay, next we need to take off the, I don't know what it's called, but yeah, the thing under your cabinet, because you need to pull your dishwasher out. Okay, now we take the 4 screw already from the dishwasher, so it's easier for us to pull it out. Okay, now we pull it out, but not everything, just a little bit, just for you guys to easier to do the screwing and everything to take off the door.
So now pull it out a little bit and then pull it down. As you can see, there is a screw here, and we use the same top 15 to open it up. So, and we do it too on the other side as well. So to take off the door, pull it up and then pull it on your way. So as we can see here, that is our problem. And why I said that is a bad design, as you can see here, it's only one screw. How can this fucking thing
One screw
with only one screw to hold this door? It is quite heavy, so it's not really well designed. Hello AEG engineer, please
some homework.
please use your brain. This is not enough. Oh. So the solution is I bought the same thing from IKEA. As here there is only one screw for it, and here there are three screws. So this is more stable, and the
More strong.
diameter, yeah, is stronger and should be better. And the diameter is also the same. So that's mean it will also work. Yeah. Yeah, it should work.
Show it one more time. Okay, so this is the problem when you take it off and put it back the screw for I don't know how many times it become loosened. So we use the hose reparatus spachtel. I don't know what is in English, but it's something that you can put inside the hole, and you need to wait for 1 hour before you can screw anything back into the same place. So first thing first, you need to use this scraper to clean up the area before you fill in with the
Spachtel.
spachtel.
Oh.
So now we're gonna use it for both sides because we already take it out the screw for many times on both sides. Yeah.
While we're waiting for the fillers to be hardened up, we want to fill up also the hole from the screw before. And as you can see, that's the problem, because now I need to take the dishwasher really out so that I can fill the filler inside the holes from the screws before. And what make it more complicated is I cannot take it really out, because either you can take it really the dishwasher out and you need to take off the all two hoses, and it is a messy job, or you just try to take it as far as it can go without taking off both hoses for the dishwasher. So this is the problem that I mentioned before. The hole from the screw is loosened up, so we need to fill the fillers again so that we can screw the dishwasher back into its position. Yeah, it is such a bad design, AEG. Why I need to take out the dishwasher just to change the cabinet, the door. So I have already filled in the holes with the fillers. You cannot see from it here because you are too late to record the video because you are cooking. Now I want to push it back inside the bag. So wish me luck.
Okay, now we push the dishwasher back, but do not push it into the cabinet like hole. just leave it a little bit because we need to assemble the door next.
So now the moment of truth. After 1 hour, now we'll screw this new, I don't know what to call it, halterung. So make sure it's on the right position. So now we put it back. So make sure the okay. So now it's good. So we screw this first. And push it up. Now after finish screwing both sides, try to open it. As you can see, maybe it's hard to see, but now it's more stable and more strong. So we finish. We need to push it back into its position. And the dishwasher is already in its position, so make sure everything is okay. So yeah, it's okay now. Then we screw it back, all the 4 screws. So our final step is to put this rack back again. And yeah, that's all. So disclaimer, yes, I can say the design is not very well designed, because when I want to change it, I need to take the dishwasher out from the cabinet, from the kitchen cabinet. But then I must say, this AEG dishwasher is very good at cleaning. Up until now, we are very satisfied with the results from the cleaning. So thank you for watching, and see you guys later.
In another problem.